Welcome to my channel. If you're dealing with a cat that pees outside the litter box, you're not alone. You've cleaned the mess, checked the litter box, and maybe even had your cat fixed, but they still do it, right by the door, near the window, or even on your favorite furniture. Why? Let's unravel this mystery together. First, rule out medical issues. Before assuming it's behavioral, consider the possibility of a health problem. Cats with urinary tract infections, kidney disease, or bladder stones may associate their litter box with pain and avoid it. If your cat suddenly starts peeing in strange places, a vet visit should be your first step. If it's not medical, it's territorial or emotional. Once you've ruled out health concerns, the next major reason is stress and territorial behavior. 1. Your cat feels insecure in their territory. Cats are creatures of habit and rely heavily on scent to feel safe. They rub their face on furniture, roll in your laundry, and even sleep on your pillow to claim their space. But if their scent gets disrupted, whether by a new pet, a new person in the house, or even furniture rearrangement, they might start marking their territory with urine. 2. There's an intruder outside. If your cat is peeing near the door, window, or perimeter of the house, they've probably spotted an outside animal, another cat, a raccoon, or even a squirrel. Since they can't physically chase them away, they leave a powerful message. This is my house. Stay out. This can lead to a pee war between your cat and the outdoor visitor. Your cat marks, the outsider marks back, and you're stuck cleaning up the mess. 3. Your cat wants to go outside. Some cats, even indoor ones, develop an obsession with going outside. They meow at the door, paw at windows, or even spray near exits out of frustration. If you've ever given in, even once, and let them out, they may continue peeing as a way to signal, "Let me out again." But don't be tempted. Indoor cats don't have the skills to survive outside. They can get lost, attacked, or hit by a car. If you must give them outdoor time, consider a secure catio or leash training. How to stop the peeing problem for good. Now, let's get to the solutions. Here's what you can do. 1. Locate and clean all marked areas. Use a black light in the dark to find urine spots. Once you've found them, clean thoroughly with an enzyme-based cleaner, not bleach or ammonia, as these smells can encourage more marking. 2. Add an extra litter box. If your cat pees in the same spot repeatedly, try placing a litter box there. Over time, once they use it consistently, you can slowly move it to a better location. 3. Make their favorite peeing spots unappealing. Cover the marked areas with furniture, aluminum foil, or plastic mats. Some cats also avoid citrus-scented sprays. 4. Strengthen their sense of territory. Place soft blankets, beds, or scratch posts near problem areas so your cat can mark them with their scent instead of urine. 5. Keep your cat distracted. If your cat is obsessed with getting outside, redirect their attention with toys, treats, or play sessions. When they meow at the door, quickly distract them before they get the idea to pee. 6. Check the litter box setup. The box should be big enough for your cat to turn around comfortably. Some cats hate scented litter. Try switching to an unscented, soft-textured variety. Scoop daily, but don't completely replace the litter too often. Cats like a familiar scent in their box. 7. For older cats, use softer litter. Senior cats can develop paw sensitivity, making rough litter uncomfortable. Try a softer, finer texture. 8. If you have multiple cats, provide multiple litter boxes. The rule of thumb, One litter box per cat, plus one extra. A dominant cat might make another cat feel unwelcome in the shared box, leading to peeing elsewhere. Final thoughts. Patience is key. Cats don't misbehave out of spite. They are simply trying to communicate. With a bit of detective work and a few adjustments, you can fix the issue without frustration. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more helpful cat tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.